Is Beyblade business profitable? If you plan to sell Beyblades, listen to what I have to say next. I will share how this business may not be as profitable, and how you may approach this business differently to maximize success. Clarification: I'm not an expert. I'm sharing from merely 5 years of selling Beyblades. Beyblade business is not profitable if the market is oversaturated. Beyfan Store started when the market wasn't saturated, but the market eventually gets saturated. And even we are struggling because of the vicious price war. Beyblade business is not profitable when the trend is declining. When Beyblade Burst ended and Beyblade X was yet to launch. That was the hardest downturn we have experienced, and the future of this business very much depends on how successful Beyblade X is. Beyblade business is not profitable when the cost is high, but the profit margin is low. To get the lowest cost possible, you have to buy in bulk. But with the variety of Beyblade products available, it can be overwhelming. If what you buy doesn't sell quickly, and you don't have a good eye for it, you may run into cash flow issues. So then why Beyfan Store continue this business? To be honest, we are still picking up from the downturn. We might not be the fastest in shipping pre-orders, nor can we provide the crazy's lowest prices or the best advice for competitive bladers. We consistently enhance our packing methods to ensure the safety of your items, and to be completely honest in this business, we handle your purchase carefully. So you get a Beyblade set in good condition. I know how important it is for a child, or just anyone to receive a well-packaged Beyblade they've been waiting for. We don't open random boosters and sell the less valuable ones, pretending they're randomly sold. We don't inspect for rare sets and reseal them for sale. We provide the most honest advice possible, for the best benefit of buyers, not our profit. And we are trying several different approaches now. Compared to last time, we want to be even more transparent in the business. So we showcase our process and story on social media, mainly YouTube and TikTok. We are constantly searching for interesting free gifts to give out, to bring more fun to buyers and not go into live, to add value to our business. We also aim to educate beginners and parents in this hobby. With this objective in mind, we have prepared a batch of free gifts, which we will start giving out for this latest pre-order and the beginning of 2024. We will also continue to specialize in selling Beyblade parts. As we gradually gain more trust through social media, we reckon this would be our strength. Aside from Beyblade X, we won't be giving up on Beyblade Burst products, as they were how I started this hobby and eventually this business. The same goes for our buyers. You might not follow Beyfan Store's strategy, but I hope my sharing inspires you or helps you rethink about entering this business.